But that's until I met you. And before I realized it, little by little, you were fixing my broken heart.
Dati, hindi ako yung tipong nagsiseryoso o mahilig sa commitment. Pero ngayon, wala akong ibang gusto kung hindi makasama ka. Parang may malaking kulang kung wala ka. Gusto kita, Kit.
And I know I'm your bossy kid. And a lot of people are gonna disagree with this, but I don't care about that. I don't care what they say. What matters to me is how I feel about you. Because I really, really like you, Kid.